I'm a grandmother bringing up grandchildren to my mokopuna. Probably yesterday, but I actually got it, and it's funny that because the person that I usually see actually rang because I had missed a couple of appointments. Yeah, so I go there to, she's a counsellor. So she helps me. It's hard, I gotta admit it. It was hard at the beginning, and it still is hard. That's why I have a counsellor. My mokos have counsellors. I have support from KidsCan, and I have my whānau, especially my whānau, my sisters. I used to cry a lot, just break down and cry, and that's just recently actually. And if it wasn't for my sisters who came down and had a hui, and they said, we've noticed, you haven't been out, and every time because we usually catch up with a coffee, like once a month maybe, and they saw that, they said, you're not looking well, and so I just found out about, I wasn't really coping with the kids. They came up with the solution, and it's that solution that actually why I'm feeling great at the moment.